Hi, my name is Kate. In this video, I will show you how to set up a cron job. Cron jobs allow you to automate certain commands or scripts on your server to complete repetitive tasks. From your cPanel, go to the Advanced section and click on Cron Jobs. We're going to add a new cron job using this form. First, you can set up whether you want to be sent an email when a cron job runs. If you would like to do that, you can enter your email address here. Then you will choose how often you want the cron job to run. You can use any of these common settings, or you can set up your own schedule. I'm going to set mine up to run once a day. Now you need to enter your command. If you have a single command that you want to run, you can input the command in this text box. You can also enter commands that will execute a bash script for more tedious jobs. If you do this, make sure that the path to your file containing the script is correct. Make sure that you've entered the settings you want, and then you can click Add New Cron Job. Alright, my cron job has been added, and I can see it down here under my current cron jobs. If you ever need to edit or delete your cron job, you can do so under Actions. And there you go! That's how you would set up a cron job.